Is AI going to take your job? Welcome to Tech Innovations with Dr. Tay. We've all heard it. AI is coming for your job. But is that just a hype? Or is your job really at risk? The answer might shock you. And it's not just about factory workers anymore. So buckle up, let's explore. AI isn't just some futuristic concept. It is here, right now, reshaping the job market faster than most people can realize. Whether you are working in retail, creative fields, or even as a lawyer, everyone needs to take stock of their skills and future career goals. Let's break it down. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI is coming for jobs across the board. And it's not just cashiers or factory workers. AI is writing code, designing graphics, analyzing legal contracts. It's hitting white-collar jobs too. Take ChatGPT, for example. It can now write better emails than most people. Like DALL-E, it can create stunning images in seconds. Companies are already using these tools to cut costs by reducing the need for human workers. A report by Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs could be affected by AI. That's not just a number. That's real livelihood. Think about it. Customer service agents, marketers, movie actors, and even accountants may be at risk. And the reason is simple. AI doesn't need sleep. It doesn't get sick. It doesn't ask for a raise. For businesses, that's a dream employee. For workers, it may be a nightmare. AI will create new jobs to replace the ones it's taken. But let's talk about what that really means. Because it's not just about learning to code. It's about learning how to use AI to make your current job better or switching to roles that didn't exist before. Think about the film industry. In the future, directors and actors might spend less time on physical sets and more time using AI tools to create entire scenes virtually. Instead of spending weeks shooting a car chase, they could design it in the virtual world in days. The same goes for scriptwriters. AI could help writers brainstorm ideas, draft dialogue, even visualize scenes before they are filmed. How about lawyers? They will definitely need to learn how to use AI tools to sift through massive amount of case law and evidence faster than ever. Instead of spending hours on research, they'll use AI to get the information they need in minutes, focus on strategy and arguments. And engineers, you will ask. Imagine designing a building with the help of AI that can predict structural weaknesses before they even happen. AI tools will make designs smarter and more efficient. But engineers will need to learn how to work alongside these tools. Even software developers aren't immune. The days of writing every single line of code from scratch are ending. Tools like GitHub Copilot are already helping developers write code faster by suggesting entire functions and debugging errors. But this doesn't mean developers will be out of work. It means they will need to know how to guide AI tools, check their work for errors, and use them to speed up development processes. Developers who embrace this tool will be the ones who thrive, while those who resist will fall behind. Of course, some jobs will be hard to replace. Roles that require hands-on human interaction or complex judgment calls, like nurses, plumbers, judges, are not going anywhere. You can't automate empathy or the nuances of decision-making required in these fields. But even in these roles, specialized AI tools can provide crucial support. For example, nurses might use AI to monitor patients' vitals in real time and detect early warnings of signs of complications. Plumbers could leverage AI to diagnose plumbing issues faster through smart sensors. Judges could use AI to assist in researching case law or identifying legal precedents more efficiently. The point is, while some jobs are safer from AI disruption, that doesn't mean those workers should ignore AI entirely. Knowing how to use AI tools can make their jobs easier, more efficient, and in some cases, safer. The key takeaway here is this: AI isn't just taking jobs, it's changing them. If you want to stay relevant, you need to be ready to adapt. Whether you are in a creative field, a legal profession, a technical role, or software development, the future would demand that you learn how to work with AI, not against AI. But here's the challenge: it's not going to be automatic. You have to be proactive. The skills that got you your job today won't be enough tomorrow. The same AI tools that are reshaping jobs can also help you learn these new skills. From online courses to hands-on tools, there's never been a better time to level up. So, while it's true that AI will create new jobs, those jobs are going to require people who are willing to learn, adapt, and grow. The question is this: are you ready for that change? It's a lot more than just careers or jobs or skills. There is need for boundaries. The key is setting boundaries. AI can't just be allowed to run wild without rules. We need regulations that set clear standards for where and how AI can be used in the workplace. If we don't put rules in place, we are going to see jobs disappear faster than we can create new ones. Governments and businesses need to step up. We need laws that protect workers from being left behind. Things like retraining programs, job protections, and limits on how much AI can replace human labor. Without boundaries, we are heading for a future where the benefits of AI only go for a few, while millions lose their livelihoods. So, what do you think? Is your job at risk? Are you ready for the changes AI is bringing? Let me know in the comment section. What's your biggest worry about AI and jobs? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to keep the conversation going. Let's figure this out together. Thank you.